This video will instruct you on how to access and set up your Cox Business Detection System from the My Account web portal. The topics we will be covering include accessing the detection portal, secret verbal passcode, add and manage users, rename detection system sensors, add emergency contacts, and add or edit rules and schedules. First-time visitors to My Account will need to register. If you have already registered, go to coxbusiness.com/myaccount to access the portal. Enter your user ID and password and click Sign In. Accessing the detection portal. Scroll to the Administrative Tools and Services Management section and click the Security icon. From the Security page, click the Launch Portal button. You should now see the web portal dashboard. This dashboard provides a quick view of the key features for your security system. The features can be accessed using the menu on the left or by clicking any of the tiles on the dashboard. Secret verbal passcode. Let's go ahead and set up the detection system's secret verbal passcode. The secret verbal passcode is used to cancel a dispatch by the central monitoring station in the event of a false alarm. If the wrong passcode is given, authorities will be dispatched. To set up your secret word, click the Settings link from the left navigation panel and then click the Monitoring Station option. Place the cursor in the secret verbal passcode field and enter a new passcode. Re-enter the word in the Confirm Passcode field and click the Save or Update button. Done. Add and manage users. Now, let's set up and manage any users. From the left navigation panel, click Users. A list displays all panel users and options to show user codes, add, edit, and delete users. Let's select Add to enter your usernames and assign unique 4-digit codes for each user to arm and disarm the system. You can also define specific times when a user can access the system. Rename detection system sensors. Next, let's rename your detection system sensors. The detection sensor names can be changed to reflect their location in your business. It can help you to quickly recognize a sensor's location with any notifications or reports. From the dashboard, scroll to the Sensor tile and click the right arrow icon to expand the menu. Click the sensor name from the list of sensors and enter the name you prefer. Click Save on the bottom left and you're done. Add emergency contacts. With the dashboard, you can define individuals you want the central monitoring agency to contact before the police are called, and if you choose, after the police are called when an alarm is triggered. You can also add your alarm permit registration number and expiration date. This comes in handy if it's required by your local police department. Click on the Emergency Contact and Permit Information icon and populate the fields you need. Just click the Save button and you're set. Add or edit rules and schedules. Rules are a way of initiating a system action, like sending a text message when the system does or doesn't detect something specific. Schedules can be assigned to automate system activities by day of week and/or time of day. From the dashboard, click Automation from the left menu. With the Rules tab selected, use the Filter drop-down menu in the upper left to display specific items. Then, click the pencil icon on the right side of an item to view its existing rules. You can add recipients by clicking the Add button. When you're finished, click the Save button on the bottom right. There are many additional features you can access with the dashboard to further customize your Cox Business Security Solution system. For more information, user guides are available online.